Hey guys, how's it going? For those of you that follow me on Instagram, you probably would have noticed a couple months ago I had an incident with my awning. I was running the Adventure Kings awning. I had it out one day in the wind. We had the wall was attached. We had a massive gust of wind come through, snapped the whole poles in half, so it was totally destroyed. So for the past couple months, I've been running without an awning and deciding which awning I wanted to go in the future. The Adventure Kings awning was great. It did its job, but I didn't want to go another standard awning again with just a standard shade. They're great during midday. You got a perfect amount of shade here. But as soon as it's morning or afternoon, you lose pretty much all of your shade underneath. So I didn't want to go on a standard awning again. So I've been doing my research and I did look into the Darche Eclipse Generation 2 awnings. So I started saving up for that awning. But then I seen they had a Christmas giveaway. So I thought, why not? This is the first time I'm going to enter a competition. It was something I really wanted. So I entered it, and thanks to Darche, I was lucky enough to actually win it. So that was amazing. So let's take a look at it, guys, and see what you think. Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Let me feel your love again. Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Let me feel your love again. Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us and we can stay up all night. Kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to. Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel like I'm chill in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you. The second I unboxed it, I could already see the quality was far superior than my old Adventure Kings awning. This is one of my mounts from the Adventure Kings awning. It did its job. It was pretty sturdy, but as you can see, there's not much to it. Let's jump up and check out the mounts on these. They're far superior. Just take a look at how much wider and stronger these mounts are compared to the Adventure Kings. Now I'm running 3 of these mounts. They're not going anywhere. They also have multiple slotted holes for any type of fitment to any vehicle. Let's open it up and check it out. It's got your 2 Velcro straps like your normal awnings. It just drops straight down. I was very surprised by this actually. I thought it'd be a lot more complicated to pack up and set up, but it's very easy. Start off, grab your 2 poles. They come out that way a bit. Then you got 2 other poles. Come out this way. And just walk it out. Grab your 2 straps that you attach to any anchorage point you can find on your car. Hook it in here. Tighten the straps. Go to the back and do the other one. Now it will support its own weight during setup, but it's not recommended to leave it supporting itself. Built in underneath here, 2 Velcro straps holding the legs. Now they're on a pivot mount here too, so you can adjust them to any angle that suits you. We'll get it strapped down and you'll see how many tie down points there are. One other thing before we strap it down, Darche give you these 2 extra little legs here. Now, they can fit back up in the bag when you're packing it up, but it's not recommended by Darche. And also you'll probably forget them. So next time you've got to unzip it, they'll just drop straight down and hit your car. So might as well just keep them in the bag and throw in the back of your car. Let's see where they go. You've got little holes on the ends here. Just straight in that, lock in there. Same with the other side here. Oh, couldn't be any easier. Now, one thing I like about these that the Adventure Kings awning didn't have, now that I've supported it at all 4 points, it also has these extra tie downs at each one point. So if you tie down this, let these poles down a bit, it creates a droop. So if it's raining, it allows all rain to run straight off. Rather than having just one side down, you can have water coming down from each side. So that's a brilliant idea. And now that it's open, you can see just how much shade I really have. It goes behind my car there, so when I open the rooftop tent up, I can still walk around the rooftop tent and have shade right around there. I have shade right past the front of the car, so the shade has tripled from what it used to be. Now, I would have liked to have gone a 270 awning. Everyone seems to go in 270 awnings these days, but with my rooftop tent aiming up to the back, it just wasn't an option. Also with my canopy doors, I just couldn't get around it. So 180 was the best I could do, but I'm happy with the amount of shade this gives me. It's absolutely perfect for this setup. Now, having the awning on its own is bloody fantastic, but Darche have another item that takes it to a whole new level. They have these walls available. There's a zip that runs the whole way along all 3 sides, and the wall completely encloses the entire lot. You got a door at the front, and you can lift any angle you want, so you can absolutely double the shade again, and keeps out all the wind, everything. Makes this entire area enclosed. That's something I definitely want to get in the near future, guys, and I'll do another review on the walls. I think it'll just be the absolute complete setup with those walls. Check out the quality of this. Now, Darche gear is more expensive, but you do get what you pay for. So it's going to last you a lot longer than the cheaper brands. For example, the Adventure Kings awning here, if I grab this, I can twist it, I can bend it, do anything with it. This just is that solid, it doesn't move at all. All the hinges here, very solid and strong. They've got tape over all the stitching, so they've done as much as they can to try and waterproof the whole lot. All the stitching is really good and tight. The Velcro is really good too, a lot better than the Adventure Kings Velcro. That was one of the biggest things that annoyed me. As soon as you set up with any sort of wind at all, the Velcros would just come undone and it just flat, and it was so annoying. So these have been absolutely great. All right, let's see how easy it is to pack up. Start with your legs here. Fold them straight back up again. They lock straight into the Velcro underneath the supports here. Very simple. Pull out your other legs. Undo your straps. These are so simple. Do the second strap. All right, so your front one will come in first. So you pull that one back a bit. Now there is a bit of a knack to this bit though. So you come in enough until you can get that second one in. You're going to bring that in. Now, you'll see the triangle here. It's a bit difficult to fold, and quite often that'll get tangled up here, so you've got to come underneath and sort of pull it until they're both sort of even like that. That's what we're going to do. Got the ropes. Now you want to make one fold first, and then come up with the second fold. You can tuck these in at the same time. Then after you've done the two folds, simply just start giving it a tight roll here. As you push those in, that just sits there. Then you grab your straps. That's the only thing. Quite often they'll get stuck under here, so be careful with that. Now, this is just a quick video today, guys. I just wanted to give you my first thoughts on the Darche Eclipse Generation 2 1080 awning. I'll do another review in a couple months' time once I get the walls, and we'll see how it's been handling being used every single weekend and whether it's worth spending the money. But if you do have any more questions about the awning, guys, just leave a comment. If you have liked the video, leave a like. And if you haven't already, maybe even subscribe. But thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers! Now for the interesting part. It was very soft getting in here. Am I going to get back out again? Let's give it a go.